Hello guys, welcome to With the Tech. Today we will check 4 different advanced robot technology. First one is Kuka robot. Kuka is owned by Chinese company Media Group. The second one we will move on with Davinci, is a robotic surgical system made by Intuitive Surgical. The third one, the world first kitchen robot made by Moley Robotics. We will see how it's cooking, and the last one we will check Festo Bioniccobot. So if you're ready, let's get started. The Kuka system is an operating software. All basic functions are stored for the deployment of the robot system. The industrial robots are used in many application places such as material handling, loading, unloading of machines, welding, etc. They are used in some large companies in automotive industry as well as in other industry. Let's check out Davinci Robot. The Davinci Surgical System is an advanced medical device used to perform surgery, providing surgeons with superior visualization, enhanced dexterity, greater precision, and ergonomic comfort. Davinci Surgical System make it possible for more surgeons to perform minimal invasive procedures involving complex dissection or reconstruction. Let's check now the world first robotic kitchen. Moley robotic kitchen includes 2 robotic arms with hands equipped with a tactile sensor, an oven, an electric stove, a dishwasher, and a touch screen unit. The kitchen is operated by its touch screen or remotely via smartphone. When not in use, the robot arms retract from view. In robotic use, glass screen glide across the unit, enclosing it for safe use when there is no one at home. Now let's check Festo Bioniccobot. The robot hands is modeled on the human hand that can learn through artificial intelligence to grab different objects and turn them into desired position. For more information, check the links below. Thank you for watching.